Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the pitting and prioritizing deeper pits first. Once done, mark affected zones and remove the wheel so you can access the lip and barrel fully. You need 300-400 grit first to remove corrosion, then 800-1500 grit to refine the surface. Make sure to mask the tire, valve, and brake components. Contamination will make repair harder. You'll also set up a clean workspace and lay out the rust converter, filler, and chrome polish, so every step flows continuously. You begin sanding the pitted areas with 300-400 grit until all flaking chrome and raised corrosion are gone. Keep motion even to avoid gouging. Then switch to 800-1500 grit to feather transitions and create a smooth profile. This step matters because chrome requires a uniform base. Once metal is exposed, apply rust converter and let it cure. It stabilizes corrosion. If pits are deep, fill with a 2-part epoxy. Sand flush after curing, and clean with 90% isopropyl to remove oils before you apply a chrome-compatible primer in light coats, allowing tack-free times between layers. Proper adhesion prevents future peeling. Once primed, spray chrome or plated look paint in multiple thin passes to avoid runs and let cure fully. After curing, wet sand with 1500-2000 grit to remove texture, then compound and polish with a chrome polish and microfiber for mirror finish. If finish fails or peels later, troubleshoot by checking adhesion. Strip to bare metal, redo primer and paint, and ensure surfaces were degreased and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.